Subtracting fractions, practice number 1. If you have a rational number that is a mixed number, convert to an improper fraction before subtracting. Example, -8/3 minus -4 2/5. -4 2/5 is a mixed number, so we'll convert this to an improper fraction before subtracting. The denominator is 5 and the fraction is negative, so one whole will be -5/5. There are 4 of those, so we'll write -5/5 and add them to each other 4 times. The numerator is -2, so we'll also add -2/5. The numerator of -2 is also negative because the entire fraction is negative. We'll add all the numerators together, -5 plus -5 plus -5 plus -5 plus -2, and this will give us a total of -22 over the denominator of 5. Or another way we can convert to an improper fraction is to take the whole number, which is -4, multiply it by the denominator, which is 5, then add it to the numerator, which is -2. The whole number is -4. Multiply this by the denominator, which is 5, and this will equal -20. We'll then take the -20 and we'll add it to the numerator of -2. And again, the numerator of -2 is also negative because the entire fraction is negative. And -20 plus -2 is equal to -22. So -4 and 2/5 as an improper fraction is equal to -22/5. We can now solve. So -8/3 minus -22/5. Step 1, find the common denominator to 3 and 5. A common denominator would be 15. Step number 2, create equivalent fractions. So we have -8/3. To make an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 15, we multiply 3 by 5, therefore multiplying the numerator by 5 as well. -8 times 5 is -40. For -22/5, to get a denominator of 15, we multiply by 3. Therefore, we multiply the numerator of -22 by 3 as well, and that will give us -66. So we have -40/15 minus -66/15. To subtract, add the opposite numerator. And the opposite numerator to -66 will be +66. Remember, when you add numerators where one is positive and one is negative, positive and a negative, take the smaller number and subtract it from the larger number. So 66 will be at the top, and we'll take away 40, and 66 minus 40 equals 26. Give your answer the sign, positive or negative, of the larger number. The larger number is 66, and 66 was positive, so our answer will be +26. So -40/15 minus -66/15 will equal 26/15. This will be our answer as an improper fraction. This can also be written as 1 and 11 over 15. And this will be our answer as a mixed number.